until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alledon, or 18 miles southwest of Danville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fairmount around 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Muncie, Georgetown, Catlin, Oakwood, Danville, Westville, Tilton, and Belgium. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 198 and 219. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Vermilion, Illinois,